Hello third graders, welcome to our writing workshop. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the ways to organize our information before we start writing. So let's get started. Yesterday, I have asked you to choose a topic that you know well and then share this with your friends and classmates. And for me, I chose badminton. And these are the information that I know so far. The rules, the equipment, number of players, and the location that we usually play badminton. So yesterday we had a chance to share these information to a friend or friends. However, writers, so you remember that information writing is like being a teacher, teaching students about a topic. So now I want you to imagine yourself being a teacher, standing in front of a classroom, ready to teach them about a topic that you know. How would you like to start? How are you going to navigate your lesson? Are you going to just start by telling what it is, and then how are you going to unfold your lesson? So there are many ways to start your lesson, but however, as a teacher, it's very important that you have some kind of planner. So there are many ways to organize on information. Sometimes we use the Post-its, or sometimes we use the planner or a weekly planner or even diary to organize our lesson or information. Because without those planners, without organizing my information, it's going to be very hard to deliver a lesson. Because it's very important to give out the lesson in a very organized way. So often make plans. So information writers, today we're going to learn that information writers often make plans for how to organize their information writing. Writers make one plan, then they think about a different possible plan, and they keep doing this over and over. Each plan includes a different way to divide a topic into parts. So why do you think we keep dividing and then keep thinking and keep planning about this one topic? It's because the more we plan, the more we think about this topic, the better we become in explaining them. So there are many ways, just like I said, Post-its or the diagrams or mind maps, but today we're going to use our hand to organize our subtopics and information. So on your writing journal, I want you to go bring your writing journal. I want you to find the next available page, and don't forget to write today's date, which is Friday, September 25th. And then right in the center of your page, I want you to trace your hand. Put your left hand on your page first, on your paper, and then trace it with your pencil. And then on the palm of your hand, you're going to write the title of your subtopic. So this is my example. So I wrote equipment and center, and on my fingers, I wrote down the details, and I wrote rackets, net, shuttlecock, shoes, and strings. And this is going to be my one subtopic. And I drew another hand, and I wrote rules on the palm, and I wrote the details on the fingers. So I want you to do the same. So now you have chosen your topic. I want you to think about some subtopics that you like to talk about. So I noticed that I saw some of you chose games, or some of you chose an animal. So why don't you think about why don't you start by dividing your topic into some smaller subtopics, and then draw as many hands as you want. But for me, I drew 4 hands. So the first subtopic was equipment, the second one is rules, the third one is number of players. Do you notice how I only used 2 fingers? Yes, we draw the whole hand, but if you don't have all 5 information, it's okay to stop at 2 or 3. And then the last subtopic I wrote is technique. So now I have my hands. What do I do next? Do I just compile my hands all together like this? Is this a good way to organize my information? Yes and no. Yes, because I see different subtopics, but no, because I don't know where to start from. So that's when the table of contents comes into play. So I have numbered my subtopics and I put them in the order. And table of contents, I have included some photos of tables of contents. And when you're reading, especially when you're reading nonfiction books, when you open your book and then when you go to the very first page, there is usually a page called table of contents. And there you can find the different subtopics that the book contains. So when you look at this one, this book was about cats and dogs. And when under the table of contents, there are many subtopics. And this one subtopic symbol represents its one hand. And same for the second example. So for your activity, I want you to open up your writing journal and I want you to create one or more hand organizers, something that looks like this, and write your information there. And if you want to draw more hands like myself, please do so. But after drawing one or two hands, I want you to create your own table of contents. It may look something like this or like this. It's up to you. So you may not have the page number yet, but just try to list down your contents. List down your subtopics. And that's it for today's lesson. So I hope you have fun organizing your information, and I'm looking forward to seeing your table of contents and your hand organizers. And I'll see you later. Have fun, writers. Bye-bye.